Good morning. This is Chili. Here, back to do another video, and I hope everybody's having a good morning so far. So this morning we have ticker symbol BBB, which is BlackBerry Limited, up 4.7%. Second ticker symbol that we have up this morning is Ford. Ford Motor Company is up 2.73%. And our third ticker symbol, Planet 13 Holdings, is up 2% as well. So those are the top few stocks. I will call, BlackBerry quite risky. I will call Planet 13 quite risky, but I've been in it. I mean, these are two penny stocks and Wall Street bets guys put on their list. So I just added it on, but I haven't taken a huge position in it. That means I don't have over $1,000 in BlackBerry or Planet 13, but they're interesting plays. I do have a nice position in Ford. So Ford Motor Company, which is up 2% this morning. Another stock position I'm building is United Steel with the Biden deal coming up. They're doing great. I got the expectation they'll hit $35 per share by the end of the year. So United Steel is doing well. And my third ticker that I've been talking about is Cleveland Cliffs. It's a good time to get in. $19 per share. I think it can go up to 22, 23 in the short term. So that'd be a nice 10% profit. And here's another SPAC play. Only talking about it just for the simple fact that it is summertime and people are flying to the Hamptons and stuff in the New York, Manhattan area. And so this could be big in the next couple of years. But it is a SPAC play. So Blade Air Mobility, it is up this morning with the first weekend of first holiday weekend of the summer. So the first unofficial holiday summer weekend, Blade Air Mobility has a lot of travel going on between Manhattan and Nantucket Beach. So great stuff. So those are the top tickers, BlackBerry, Ford, and Planet 13. But again, I'm adding the Ford, US Steel X, Cleveland Cliffs, CLF. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you for listening, and have a great day. Oh, and don't forget the links below, Webull and Robinhood.